Achemu akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie ye eso ye de radio asese ndenso de ache ya kanefo no mienu ne yakwa akoto aba na ensam no ne todwa omu bi ya wo beti eni CSOs civil society organizations a won susu se EC ama won kwan se won betumi aye observers wa abato no mu no so wo de be ma won fo ma won omu de edru ho no ma wo be ye wadwuma no ne nsem bi na no pay Mede bro, Adom TV, Badwam Kasia, watch me live on Facebook / Adom TV Extra, Go TV 119, DSTV 280, ko YouTuber, Adom TV 2. Kwadomonline.com semi ni bebrain so yatro edi agu ho bidin de afia amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni de mientie se den samni nchiremu ankasa etie. Civil society organizations abeto dwasa electoral commission ama won kwan se da memenda abato aye ba beto obetumi so ahwehwe bie no one nsentwefo akasa ma ene de wo ka nyina ne se so omunya aye so omu anya no obe wadwuma so observers wa abato mu kase no eto so
or see someone would attend to you accreditation there or mobile and even ask how many accreditation are here so my colleague Roxanne or see anything between 50 and 100, you bet me at the age, or see, no problem. That was around 6 p.m. But 2 hours after that, or call meeting, and immediately after meeting, no, almost see they be to me accreditation. So quite obviously, EC or Muji or mu instruction from elsewhere, and we a very, very dangerous man. Buying bossem. Yes, you be so, but you be in a safe manner. But anka was accreditation no any no my access into the coalition centers. You name the our coalition centers. In Takwano mostly our coalition centers. But you would have been able to observe it more diligently. But because you need accreditation, would observe from a distance. Your partners and so. Your media partners and so the information I receive it points to politics be so me suspect say or mu into the faces behind the CSOs so who criticize or muka crabia then you are deemed unfriendly. That is
Greater Accra organizer my MPP Prince Obin say enede ya wo mo ye won final rally wo Legon when ya Ghana for crowd no be 100,000. Kasiano etwaso.
There is a reason that underpin the choice of University of Ghana. When him say MPP there, you can education we take it as a priority. You feel in the agro so that was a factor that underpin the choice of University of Ghana. In Tubasha, utu any albums stage, any screens, police preparations, ni party no ayesa nhyehyɛ nyina ma kosu jo. Say party no aye ready. Now no you expecting not less than 100,000 people here. We shall park no so suyi ankasankasanka.
Adom News nsɛnkyerɛfoɔ for any ɔmanfo a wɔn ɛwɔ Legon ha bi atwitwe nkɔmɔ bisa wɔn sɛ rally a MPP amanyɔkuo no ɛde ba ha no ɛno nso wɔn adwen kyerɛ wɔn ho ne sɛn.
Me de metimi aka fa wɔn sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ wɔn de aba because youth ndodoɔ na wɔ Legon ha si nti ɛyɛ sɛ wɔn de aba ha na ɛyɛ nti wɔn fan na wɔyɛ sɛ wɔn wɔ ɛde man nti ɛyɛ paa sɛ wɔn de aba ha si ɛbɛboa.
Imagine plan say Legon Hanum de be obianum say MPP. Yaniji Juma Maya pa.
Director in charge logistics and protocol my NDC Ludwig na ninsemu no hwe ekwan a NDC for won rally enne madi na Legon kwantempo no so no ehwanso na MPP ye won mu die. Na no mu no owura Ludwig edi to dwachire mu seso wo mu wie bibia na bibia nsidia ebede di pefe 7th December ye memende ya no abato on bekoso asumdwe
yen na ye announce on Friday say ye ba Zurak Park wo Madina ye issue statement flyers bibia Sunday enyumre ye sorry a MPP so say omo call Legon na we na say police Ghana Police Service enka kire omo say mu nuano mafa Zurak Park inti mu sisa but rather no pressure no buy sumo say yen mu yen sisan. But then I make can say we no a test case my nyana say nyana akọ Chinese peace park. Inti say nyana e ba be ye juma wo the same lane. A test case for Ghana police any yen say yen nyana be maintaining peace and order. Obia drive straight to the rally ground. Now ye rally, no obia drive back home. Na BBNC it means say we are maturing as a democracy.
Adom news in Central for any womanfo a woman titim patem we bi atwetwe nkomo.
Mayento akase no eso na wo MPP ni NDC rally a ekoso wo kwantempon kro ba ko aso ntino. Election Security Task Force ashia MPP ni NDC ne won madi nkomo akọ location akohwe ne ebekoso. Omo wie ye no ne Central for ekasai.
As part of the arrangement, the road diversion will go as follows. NPP supporters who will be coming from Adenta direction towards Legon, they would take left at the Reese Junction, move towards Aviation, and appear on the UPSA road or Oponglo area. That will let them access the University of Ghana Sports Park without having to go through Medina and the Zongo Junction areas. Also, NPP supporters who will be coming from the Dome direction towards Legon will go right at the Hacho Junction towards Gempa and then access the University of Ghana campus from there. In the case of the NDC, their supporters coming from Tetekwashi, to avoid them going through Legon, will take right at Shiashi towards the UPSA and then take left to hit the main Medina Accra road. Also, NDC supporters who will be coming from Dome will take left at the KFC junction on the Hacho road towards
Menya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ye de asiase da na ye wode a omre no wada age a wode ma ye ene esan MPP ene NDC won rally ni ntino dwumadie no ye de be free Legon e de abramo bi se won ato emre no a ye ne won mo mpanifo ahodo nso bedi enkomo ye wachire nso ehwe ne ye bekoso nti koso mo afidie no na Adom TV yakwaba na de obonkrata no aba no ye de beto so yakwaba